Kanu konga kadu big mitsu athazang se.
Ko abit mituro akachopya. Ako khasna ka kanu ka pachana bepka abita. Apo ni naka ina khamba tsare. Le abutu naka kitambo. No akachopya.
Khasna kanu kong ko big mitsu grow to me.
Kanu kong ko big mitsu kahirsa champo wa akong piteng.
All to me at all.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Mom, bless you.
Happy Mother's Day. We love you, moms.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, no
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, we love you, mom.
Happy Mother's Day, SCBC, Nuevatena, Canigoto.
Kanu na kan sa athong big ni le alian big mute nan si sa kan do vale chung a new 2 billion from an ko nine kan sa a chu atling mi le pakhat long asi mi ni nan si ri kan dong le ratson na kan nei lo le a nan kan zoken kan roll a down tik a roll nan kan be kan fa tik a na kan bom kan swolio a nan kan nature I leitin da kan tan ko lai I putling deu kan sila I ti ha kan son piak zeban tu kan si man akan zoken tu dan si ta akan ilon tu ta zezong filte ta kan lomi kan dot tina nan lai tia kan rochen into moms, we love you for being the strongest and greatest moms for us. Although there are about 2 billion moms out there in the world, you are still the perfect and only mother for us. You took care of us when we were sick and hopeless. When we were hungry, you would give us food. When we were hurt, you would be there for us. You'd be there to help us. You forgave us when we were bad, and you taught us how to grow and be more mature. We thank you for being the ones to take care of us no matter how we are. So we hope you know how thankful we are for everything and that we love you.
Tuni chim gdu mi te chu nulen te nan za te chunga lumom nak chim kha kasi kanu kan do to phone na iPad long te kazo zonga nakadot chim khngai lo zonga nakadot chiam phun tluk bia angan kula thum a me kulenga nule na pa chu lom ter na nangma an shun tu chu lom te umse adong naka hi chim gdu chu nulavil te you are a really MVP kalon.
Okay, comment to Errol SCE, Tunitu, Nudot na kong, lai hot le marang hot in kachip lan. Nudot na tu bifang in jale chip ahar, kan tuat lanin atok mi asi. Nudot na tu vantung in arami asi, pachem nok song asi. Kan hot lo mi mitli he tla akan sampia. atha aba ve ko bu azing le a kan tho tu an si kan cha a lung re a thepik mi chu kan nu le an si ziban tuk min nung kan si zonga fa le a kan do pik tu a kan tir kam peng tu an si avoid khat nak cham kan chap teng in kan mi khle he a kan nu tu an si nu dot nak chu pa chen dot nak tu pan tuk in am hun I athlang balo nu dot nak chu alung asaw ni cham in akhat kan zul ok asimi pachang bia akan chong pek lo sila uin an tua mi le an nunak in jisu akan hu sak pek tu an si heksak nak aratika an zuk nak chu afek I safa nak chu an lung chin in along pachang ni lom sho tu le zo khem tu dinga achim mi kan du le ni hin a thangchat nak le upat nak kan pek na chung le in tla mi pek mi thachot nak nan si nan chunga kan I lom nan kan tot nak man kan I cham kon halai lo in lai na in poipa di wan chung an swilu chin pakhat cheu in pek kon ha se puntlak pia anan som thum le pakhat an phe kuleret in kulekwa tiam afale ni kan thachwat nak chu nu anti I avazong ni kan ti ve I a thachat I dupi cha tampi an smat se lo nong mani na lo di ha anti le rang hol en chu a mother's love is heaven sent, a gift from God so evident. She prays with tears we'll never see and lifts our hearts to God's embrace. She teaches us the word so true and shows us Jesus in all she'll do. Her faith stands firm on child star, with kindness flowing from her heart. God shows her hands to guide and care to comfort us through every prayer. So on this day we give her praise and thank the Lord for all her ways. For every hug, each whispered prayer, we feel God's love because she's there. A blessing sent from above, a mother's heart, a mother's love. Proverbs chapter 31, verse 28 through 29. Also, and he praises her. Many women do noble things, but you surpass them all. Kailo.